how to add your finger and password. Just press star hash, then setting is open, add administrator, press 1 to add admin, press 1 for adding a finger. Here put your finger approximately 6 times. Now the finger is added. Press 2 for add a password, enter a 6-digit password same like this one. I add here 1 2 3 4 5 6, then put it again. Now the password is added. Press 3 for add a card, take your card and put front of your here. See, the card is also added. Press star to come back. See, on the number 2 there is a add user. Press 2. Same all the functions for adding finger. Press 1 for adding password. Press 2 for adding card. Press 3. And also connect with your mobile. Press star to come into the setting. Press 0. Here is the system setting on the number 7. Press 7. Press 0 again. The downside there is the network setting. Press on the number 5. Press 5. If Wi-Fi is off, see, the Wi-Fi is off. Press 1 to turn the Wi-Fi on. Now the Wi-Fi is on. So this press number 2 for configuring with your mobile. Go into your mobile application, the Toya Smart application. Open this Toya Smart application. Now see, here is the add button. Press add a device. Now see, there is a manual and also auto. See, press add. Here is the information of Wi-Fi. Just convert it into 5G to 2.4G. See, this is the 2.4G. Just connect with 2.4G. When 2.4G is connected, come into your mobile application. See, press next. Now here is many options for adding, because there are many locks. We just see only this one we have to add. After a few minutes it will be added. Now it is registered. Press done. It will be connected with your mobile. If someone ring the bell, same like this one, then notifications come into your mobile. See, open remotely. When you press confirm this one, now the lock is open. See, and it will lock automatically.